Hey guys, the Buddhist Chef here. This weekend it's the Super Bowl, so it's time to make some comfort finger food. We're going to make some tempeh barbecue ribs sliders. But what is tempeh? Tempeh is like tofu on steroids. It's a soybean cake. It's a superfood. We cut the tempeh lengthwise. Then we try to match the size of the buns. We place the tempeh in a pan. Let's add some ketchup, quarter of a cup, soy sauce, quarter of a cup, maple syrup, quarter of a cup as well, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to add some liquid smoke for the smoky flavor, and vegetable broth. We're gonna mix it up and then we're going to bring it to a boil and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Vegan barbecue, smoky, salty, tasty, sweet with a little bit of maple syrup. It's gonna be so good. It's important to always poach the tempeh in some kind of liquid to get rid of this bitter taste. A lot of people ask me, hey Jean-Philippe, are you into sports? Yeah. I do yoga once a week, every other week. Other than that, I like to swim when I have to, and that's about it. Look at that, it's thickening. There you go, it's ready. Let's start by slicing the buns. Then we add the tempeh ribs, coleslaw, close it up, and repeat. It's gonna be so good. Barbecue tempeh ribs sliders. Look at this, guys. Isn't it amazing? I'm the Buddhist Chef. Enjoy the game.